Looks like we might get to go into a tunnel on this route. We are flying up this hill. So the goal is go to North Beach, kind of fool around with the destination, and then see if we can get some interesting scenarios since it's a busy time right now. Oh, I see. This is not the tunnel. We're above the tunnel.
Stop added. Almost there. Don't forget your belongings. Trip updated. Destination updated.
Huh, why are we stopped? Okay. That was weird. I'm gonna try it. Right now it's just gonna do a straight shot. I'm gonna try to add a couple more stops. It's gonna do a right lane change.
Updated.
Hopefully not into the bus.
Destination updated.
Jeez. Okay, so wanted to make a left lane change, but there's no one behind us, so I'm really unclear what that was for. Then why are we in the left lane? Let's check the map. Huh, okay, that's an interesting route. Well, that's a freebie.
Almost there. Don't forget your belongings. Destination updated.
This is kind of a weird sawtooth route that it's taking us on. Like, I'm not sure why it didn't just go straight at the last intersection.
Trip updated. Destination changed to 2501 Jones Street.
Okay, that's weird. It didn't read out the destination for any of the other updates. And looks like this is gonna be like a straight shot again, so... Oh, this is interesting. Okay, oncoming traffic doesn't stop, but I guess it's like a stop sign with the traffic coming from the right. Yeah, maybe it's more interesting to come here at night.
Destination updated. Almost there. Don't forget your belongings.
Slowing down a little bit for it.
Destination updated.
Alright, this is a pretty interesting intersection configuration. Okay. Why are we stopping? For a pedestrian, maybe? It feels like we could at least pull up a bit more. There we go. Okay, so it just stopped at like stopped back at a weird position for the person crossing the street. Kid crossing the street. Looks like we're gonna yield. Nice. Yeah, North Beach I think is a bunch of locals, so this is just like not interesting to them.
Almost there. Don't forget your belongings.
Arguably not interesting to me either, and looks like they added Coit Tower, so I'm gonna see if I can just reroute us to Coit Tower.
Destination updated.
Coit Tower was in like the Zooks Unstealth video, so I feel like it's you gotta check the box and in every AV that you've been to Coit Tower. Of course, we're still waiting on I'm still waiting on Zooks to be able to take me there. Okay, we're gonna go for it. Yeah, nope. Okay, it's turning yellow, but the intersection is still blocked. Oh, shoot. Alright. Oh, okay, we're going. Okay, that's a pretty good save. Alright. Yeah, good on the Tesla driver for... The Tesla driver went forward a bit, but then, you know, they stopped and let us go. Past Amazon, easy. Gotta slow down to 14 though. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this behavior where like Waymo goes into the intersection while there's still a pedestrian in the crosswalk. I feel like as a driver, I would just patiently wait, behind the stop line before entering the intersection. That was like a weird little stop in the intersection before we decided that we could go. Good nudge for the person in the street, though.
Almost there. Don't forget your belongings.
You get some nice views of the city going up here.
Good.
Okay, pretty good handling another pedestrian with an oncoming at the same time. And then, okay, this is a bit of an awkward pullover.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
After you exit, please close doors all the way.
So I assume it needs to do like a loop around the parking lot now. Yeah.